So when it comes to fish or anything else, and you're deep frying, look for that golden brown. And you want the bubbles start to slow down. You can stir. They're starting to slow down now. Now it's going to continue to cook even after it's pulled out. Now with pheasant, you do not want to overcook it. It's very lean meat. So you got to do it. I do it on 350. So you don't want to cook the outside too quick. And I'm thinking that took about 5 minutes or so, maybe 8. But just look for the bubbles to slow down. It doesn't matter if it's chicken, fish, or whatever. Once it starts to slow down, that's good. Now you can't leave this kind of stuff and go to the TV and watch the TV while you're cooking it. And then I pick a thicker piece, pop it open and check it. Whoa, it's hot. That is hot. I'm calling it done. Cool down for a second. Next, we're going to plate it up.